Learning about transportation and flying. Transportation is the movement of people or goods from one place to another. We can transport things in water, in air, or over land. We can use animals, vehicles, or just our feet. Until about 7,000 years ago, people had to walk everywhere. Then they started to use animals for transportation. Later, people invented vehicles. People use cars to go places, run errands, or just for fun. 1. Firefighters and police officers use vehicles to help their community. The Ministry of Transportation. The Ministry of Transportation was created in 1916. The Ministry of Transportation is in charge of roads and highways, traffic and safety, drivers and vehicles and permits. Learning about airplanes and flying. People have dreamed about flying for thousands of years, but there weren't any planes until just over 100 years ago. People have always wanted to fly. Flying and kites. Kites are invented in China. 1000 BC. History of flying. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, were the first to achieve a successful flight in the heavier than an air-fixed wings aircraft. Our visit to the Great War Flying Museum. Airplanes are first used for combat in World War I. The German flying ace Red Baron showed how deadly the fighter planes could be. You watch a presentation of the World War I airplane. Canada helped England in the war. Later, pilots such as Charles Lindbergh and Amelia Earhart used their skills and courage to make every longer and more dangerous flights. Even today, aviators are testing human endurance and our technology to the limits. I learned a lot about airplanes. Look at me, I got to be a pilot. also got a tour of the Brampton Flying Center. We also learned that some pilots make their own airplanes. They show us the parts and the tools. They let us try an airplane. Toronto Buttonville Airport. We participated in Copa for Kids. It was my first time flying. We learned about controls and flying. Our pilot was named John. We flew in a small aircraft. I experienced the true adventure of flight, and I participated in the Copa for Kids Aviator program as a junior aviator. It was fun to fly. Toronto Pearson International Airport is the largest airport in Canada. Thousands of people come and go every day. Check the board if your flight is coming or going. You can find many things in the airport. Currency exchange. Hey, we found the police. Look, a dinosaur escaped from the ROM. We use different resources to learn about transportation, airplanes, and flying. Thank you for watching and learning with me.